Good afternoon and welcome to
Island's Adventures.
Where are we at today, Val?
We're in Florida! Yay!
What are we doing?
So right now we are at the Hard Rock Hotel. You can kind of see it behind me. We're gonna get checked in and walk around, do a little resort tour.
All right, let's go. Look at all the beautiful palm trees. You can tell we are definitely in Florida. And of course, it's a beautiful hotel. Val, tell the audience why we decided to stay here.
So I got a really excellent deal through my travel agent, Holly Biss, with Magical Vacations Travel. Not sponsored, but I love her.
So I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Are we going to Universal?
No. We're staying here for 2 nights because it was such a great deal. We'll go to Universal City Walk tonight, but then we're headed to Disney World tomorrow.
Yep, we are going to City Walk tonight. Stay tuned for that video. That'll be next week. But for now, let's tour this hotel.
Beautiful guitar fountain behind me. There's a guy sitting there, so we're not getting any closer, but it looks like he's enjoying himself.
All right, let's go in and check this place out. You see the valets are busy right now. Popular time of the day, about 3 o'clock. Everybody's coming in to check in. Valerie's all excited.
It's the first Christmas tree of the trip. There will be a lot of Christmas. I should count how many Christmas. No, I'm not counting how many Christmas trees. There will be a lot of Christmas trees this week.
Yep, this week will be all about Christmas.
That's right. So we are in the Hard Rock lobby. It is a little chaotic and busy. We've got the check-in desk. Like Ed said, it's about 3 o'clock. Everybody's checking in. And then on the other side is luggage, people, and the tickets.
So we might as well go in the gift shop while we're here. Last time we was here, it wasn't open because we tried to go too early. But this time, it's open. Let's go.
And it's called the Rock Shop because we're at Hard Rock. Alright, so now we're downstairs at the Hard Rock, and there's actually 3 restaurants. The Palms restaurant was back upstairs. It's super fancy and expensive. We have the Kitchen, which is a buffet restaurant, and then we have Emac and Bolio's, just kind of like a grab-and-go quick place. So let's go check it out. So yeah, Emac and Bolio's is just like basic grab-and-go. One thing I don't like about Hard Rock, there's no good like quick service hot food option where you can get breakfast in the morning like you'll see at the Disney resorts. Otherwise, it's a great resort.
Then out the back of the hotel, you will see the big pool area. The clock says 3:20. That's actually correct. Make sure you stick around to the end for the room tour.
We just walked out kind of the back of the hotel. We're going to show you where the water taxi and the walking path are. But I just noticed the back of the hotel is so pretty. It was under construction when we were here back in January, and now it is beautiful.
It is all done. Looks like it's been repainted to me.
See all the tile above the windows?
And new tile. Nice.
That's cool. Nice little Spanish touch.
Maybe a little dark on video, but
It looks cool, trust me.
it does look really nice. Sun's going down behind the building, may be a little dim, but a big, beautiful area out here. So we're walking down the path to where you can get on the water taxi to take you to Universal, but
Sadly, it is closed for refurbishment this week, so we'll be walking.
There's where you would normally get on for the water taxi. It's literally right behind Hard Rock Hotel, but it is closed. Nice area back here though. Nice shrubbery and trees. Beautiful day.
So right next to where the water taxi is, this path behind me leads all the way to City Walk and Universal Studios. We're gonna take that path in about 45 minutes, so join us in the next video to see that.
Now let's take a room tour. Room 6129. Hey,
Come on in and check out our Hard Rock Hotel room.
closet.
Pretty big closet, lots of hairs.
Yep, absolutely.
Come in so I can close the door. Where you wanna go first, bathroom?
Sure.
All right, so there's a nice big sink out here with a mirror, so someone can be getting ready.
Let me turn on the lights. It's very dim in here still.
It is.
Mirror. And you got your standard bathroom. With a small sink. And just a regular old shower. You know how I love my walk-ins, but not a walk-in tonight.
Nope.
You got your little kitchenette area, I guess.
Nice fridge. There is a coffee maker. Don't drink this, it costs $7.
Yes, Val?
Don't drink that water, it costs $7. Bring your own.
I won't drink it then.
We're in a 2 queen bed room this time. I think we had a king last time. I could be making that up.
Yep. Last time we stayed here, they were nice and comfortable. Of course, you got your phone over there. A tablet with a pen. And then you got your TV, remote, just your standard room. Some chairs, a small table. I don't think our view is anything special. Not that we can see anything because it's dark. Yep, can't see anything but our reflections. Well, that's okay. We stayed here in January 2022. It's December of 2022, so we really like these rooms, and we're staying here because we got a big special.
I'm as tall as Madonna, Pink, and Shania Twain, which is 5'4", and I always say I'm 5'6". Is this how tall I am? I don't have shoes on. Am I shrinking already? I thought old people do that.
Yeah, you are old.
I am 5'4".
Well, that does it for a resort and room tour here at the Hard Rock Hotel. What'd you think, Val?
Well, like we said before, we have stayed here before. We really like this hotel. The proximity to the parks is the biggest draw. We walked there, it was super easy. It also gives you Express Pass if you book here and you're going to Universal or Islands of Adventure with the tickets. We're not using that feature this time, but that is a huge perk. The room's comfortable, pretty standard, it's clean, it's nice. Yeah, all in all, it's a pretty good resort. We recommend.
And as always, thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you on the next adventure.